So this screencast is about navigating through your prototype. So let's just start from the very beginning. You have a project that is based on Bedrock, and you manage to set Bedrock up, which you can do by reading the README file and following the instructions. So once you have followed those instructions, you have your project set up. You would typically start by entering the command gulp. And what this will do is to kind of start building the project. It will open up a server for your project to run on, and it will open a browser sync session. And what the browser sync session does is to kind of look for files that change and then change your static site automatically. So let's go to a page, for example, this test layout page, and let's see what's going on here. I think this is a bit complex for the explanation I want to give, so I think I'm gonna make a new page. And how you would do that, making a new page? Well, first of all, where can you make new pages? So within your project, you have a content folder, and then there is a templates folder. And at the top level, you can create new templates. So for example, let's say I make a new file, my new template.j, and then maybe I will clean it up a bit and look in our browser at localhost 3000, and you will see that my new template shows up in the base pages, and it contains the text "Hello World," which is what I just typed here. So just imagine that like you can make a bunch of templates here, and if you would go to the index, they would all show up on the index. What you can also do is make templates in a folder called modules. So you can make new files, but only in subfolders of modules. So if you were to make my new template here, and let's delete those older ones so we can see what we're doing. If you are to make a new one under modules, like nothing will actually change, and you will even get an error. What you're supposed to do is think about like, what kind of module does this live in? So imagine you're building an application. Possibly you're gonna have all these kind of modules. So let's call it my example module, and then go in and add the template. Actually, the template is empty at the moment, but that's all right. It will get added to the index. So if we go back to our localhost 3000, you will see that in my example module, there is my new template. So that's kind of how this index of templates works.